Hi there. Welcome to our final video on the new Workflows module in Freezerworks 2017. In our last couple videos, we mostly glossed over updating freezer positions through workflows, as it is somewhat self-explanatory, and the one confusing bit needs a little more time to cover. That confusing part is using the freezer position tools in checkout and check-in workflows in tandem in order to maintain static aliquot positions across freezer changes. For example, a 96 well plate can be moved from freezer to freezer, but the internal positions of those aliquots will not change. Let's process two workflows today, a checkout and then a check-in, so you can see what I mean. First, let's find our aliquots. I'll use a simple search to find some available ones. There we go. So I'll take 4 aliquots from freezer red, all available. Let's make a quick note of the freezer positions here, as the position 4 and position 5 fields are going to be saved throughout this process. And now we'll process the workflow on them. Process workflow, checkout. Select our template, and then we'll move straight to the set freezer position page. Now on this page, you'll notice that remove from freezer but keep position of aliquot within plate/box is checked. This will make it so that only the position information at the box level and above will be cleared. The position information inside the box will be saved. Let's process the workflow so you can see what I mean. Now that we're back to the inventory list view, let's look at the aliquot's freezer positions. Notice that only the final 2 position fields kept their data. The freezer section and the first 3 position fields are all cleared. Now let's leave those same aliquots highlighted and click Process Workflow, Check In this time. We'll select our template once again, and this time a red asterisk appears on the Set Freezer Position page because we will need to enter freezer position information in order to process the workflow. You'll need to select Assign New Positions above Saved Well Position, and then select a freezer that is configured properly to accept the aliquot's saved positions. Depending on the size of the freezer you select, there may or may not be assignment fields for you to fill. For our freezer workflow, there is only one assignment box for us to enter data for, the shelf box. The Find Empty box during processing field is automatically turned on when you select Assign New Positions above Save Well Position, so you will never have to manually enter box information. But if you would like Freezerworks to ensure that adjacent positions are found for all the aliquots in your workflow, check on Find Adjacent Positions during processing. Now let's enter a shelf. Sure. And now we'll process the workflow. As you can see, their original positions were maintained, while the aliquots were still successfully moved to the new freezer workflow, with new shelf and box positions. Well, that about does it for our Workflows training series. For any other questions regarding this new module, see the videos preceding this one, or contact Freezerworks support staff. Well, thank you very much, and see you next time.